Class 10, Chapter 11, Trigonometry, Exercise 11.2. First bit, third one. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my YouTube channel, Rajesh Babu Maths. 11.2. First bit, third one. Evaluate the following: sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. If we know the value of 30 degrees and 45 degrees and 60 degrees, then we can substitute the values and we can solve this problem. We need the values of 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. If you know means you can directly substitute in the values and substitute in this, but you don't know means form a table like this and write like this. I will tell the easy technique. Here 30 degrees right, 60 degrees right and 45 degrees right. First sin value 1 by 2, always remember sin 30 degrees is equal 1 by 2, you write down. Cos 30 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2, where tan is equals to sin numerator and cos numerator 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Numerator values only you should take. Now 60 degrees means this root 3 by 2 you should write. Root 3 by 2. Only you know 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2 means you can write 60 and 30 degrees total. 1 by 2 again you are right here. Okay. Next you want to write tan value means what I said, numerators of sin and cos. Root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1. Now tan 45, sin 45 degrees is equals to, first sin we should find 1 by 2 you write down, keep square root, means sin 45 degrees is equal 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degrees is equals to 1 by root 2. Sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2, cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2, where tan is equals to 1 by 1. No numerators, 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Okay. Now based upon this table you can write easily, or else you know the values means directly substitute, where sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2, sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. I'll write here sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. Write here plus, write down plus tan 45 degrees, here where tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. In the place of tan 45 degrees we will write 1. Here write down minus as it is cosec 60 degrees. Sin reciprocal is cosec. Okay. Sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees equal root 3 by 2. Where sin reciprocal is cosec. Means what? Sin root 3 by 2 means what? Reciprocal of sin cosec. Cosec 60 means sin root 3 by 2 we should write as a reciprocal. Root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. Cosec 60 degrees equals to 2 by root 3. Reverse should write 2 by root 3. Cot 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. Tan reciprocal is cot. 1 by 1 means 1. Therefore cot 45 degrees is equals to 1. And in this place as it is write down cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. In the place of cos 60 degrees we will write 1 by 2 minus as it is write down secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees. Cos reciprocal is secant. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Means cos reciprocal is secant. Means root 3 by 2 means secant 30 degrees equals to 2 by root 3. Reverse should write. Okay. Reverse should write. Secant 30 degrees equals to cos 30 degrees reciprocal is secant 30 degrees. Cos root 3 by 2 means secant 30 degrees 2 by root 3. Reverse should write 2 by root 3. Now 1 by 2 write as it is, and this plus as it is write down. This 1 write as a 1 by 1 minus write as it is. This 2 by root 3 also write as it is by 1 means I am writing 1 by 1. 1 by 1 write this plus as it is, and this 1 by 2 write as it is, and this minus and 2 by root 3. Okay, only this 1 means 1 by 1 I wrote, this 1 means 1 by 1 I wrote. Now directly I will take it denominator as a 2 by 2 root 3 and I will solve, means you will get confused. Therefore, I will write this total separately and I will prove how to write. First 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 minus 2 by root 3 by here 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Okay, first in this denominator, in this I will prove, in this denominator is 2 root into root 3 means 2 into root 3 is the denominator. Now here denominator is 2 into root 3, but here denominator is 2. Therefore, what should multiply? Denominator we should make it as a 2 into root 3. Means here we will multiply root 3. Means here also 2 into root 3 this became. Now this also we should make it as a 2 into root 3. 1 into 2 into root 3 means 2 root 3. This is also denominator as the same as like this 2 into root 3. Now there root 3 there. Therefore, we will multiply 2 means 2 into root 3. Now denominator what we multiply for the denominator same value should be multiplied in the numerator. Means this root 3 should multiply in the numerator and this 2 into root 3 should multiply in the numerator and these 2 should be multiplied in the numerator. Similarly, here also this values write down again, this numerator 1 into root 3 is root 3 and this plus has to write down 1 into 2, 2 into root 3 into 1 means 2 into root 3, this minus has to write 2 into 2 is equals to 4. This only I will write directly, means you will get confused, that is why I wrote here. Again I will explain this total directly by writing directly. Now in this total, this denominator 2 into root 3 is equals to 2 into root 3. Now here denominator value is 2 into root 3, we should make 2 into root 3, this LCM is 2 into root 3, means what we should do? We should multiply 2 into root 3 and in this denominator 2 already there, means root 3 not there. Therefore, what we will do? We will multiply root 3. Here root 3 there, root 3 there, 2 not there, means what we should do? We should multiply 2. Means here what we multiply? 2 into root 3, means here 2 into root 3 should multiply. Here we what we multiply? Root 3 in the denominator, same value should multiply in the root 3 in the numerator also. Here 2 we multiplied in the denominator, therefore same this 2 should multiply in the numerator. Now 1 into 2 root 3 means 2 root 3 only. This write down this plus 1 into root 3 root 3. Let's write down as minus 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Okay, this total I'll write directly. Okay, once you see how I write this denominator 2 into root 3, denominator 2 into root 3, 2 into root 3. Here I said a denominator value we should make it as a 2 into root 3, means what we should multiply? Root 3. Okay, root 3 here should multiply, means here also should multiply. Root 3 into root 3 means 2 into root 3, means 1 into root 3 means root 3. Directly I am writing 1 into 2 into root 3 we should multiply in the denominator, means numerator also same multiply, means 2 into root 3. Write down this minus as is and here root 3 there, root 3 there, what we should multiply? Here 2, means here also should multiply by 2, 2 into 2 4. Next in this denominator is 2 into root 3, therefore LCM is 2 into root 3. Okay, now here what we should make? Denominator we should make it as a 2 into root 3, means what we should multiply? This 2 into root 3 we should multiply here, means same value should multiply in the numerator, means 1 into 2 into root 3 means what? 2 into root 3 plus 2 here there, 2 here there, means whatever the leftover value root 3. Here root 3 will multiply, means this becomes 2 into root 3 now here, means 2 into root 3 it becomes. Therefore, we are multiplying root 3, means here also we should multiply root 3. 1 into root 3, here minus and here denominator is root 3. What we should multiply? Here 2 should multiply, means here also should multiply by 2, means 2 into 2 is equal to 4, means this numerator is 4. Now here root 3 plus 2 into root 3, 2 into root 3 plus root 3 means 3 root 3, 3 root 3. Just write down minus as it is. I write down this 4 by 2 into root 3 as it is, write down 2 into root 3, this total by, again in this numerator 2 into root 3 plus root 3 means 3 root 3, 3 root 3 minus, write as it is, write down this 4 by this 2 into root 3 right here. Afterwards this total numerator I'll write here 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 into root 3, division symbol keep, and this total right here 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 into root 3. Directly you will get cancelled, means you will get confused. How like mentions here a by b by c by d. Okay, means what we'll do, this a by b, this division symbol write like this, and c by d means a by b, this two fractions division there will multiply, means what we should do, this c by d means what, reciprocal will change as a d by c. Similarly here also, now we will multiply these two fractions, 3 by root 3 write as it is, 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 into root 3 write as it is, this division there means multiplication symbol keep, and this what we should do, reciprocal will change. Okay, numerator denominator, denominator numerator place should write, means 2 into root 3 by 3 into root 3 minus 4. Now see once numerator denominator get cancelled and this numerator and denominator get cancelled, therefore 1 by 1, 1 into 1 is equal 1, 1 into 1 is equal 1, 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Okay, therefore answer is 1.